Bro, the only drug I do is S1000 RR, bro. That's the only drug I do. I don't do liquor, LSD, hash, cocaine, cigarette, gutka, daru. No. The only drug we do is motorcycling and we do S1000 RR. That bike is so good. That bike is so good, man. I just so good. So hello everyone, this is Aditya and you're watching this world and welcome back to another video. So this video has no pretext or context because I am actually testing out the GoPro Hero 9 with a new mic. So this is a new mic and this is not the media mod. So I'm checking this camera out and this camera is given to me to this channel by our famous Ritesh Anna. Ritesh Anna is right here और उनकी गाड़ी में कुछ काम हो रहा है. रात के 10 बजे भी यहाँ पे काम होता है क्योंकि अपने अदनान भाई कराते हैं. वी स्टडी टुगेदर एंड दिस रितेश अन्ना जिसका किसका GoPro इनका ही चाहिए. So we are just looking around so that do I upgrade to a Hero 9 or a Hero 10 because I really need an upgrade in terms of GoPro and the bike is so dirty from that adventure day. Wash karana tha but I couldn't do it. So now I'm heading out towards Suchitra and I want to check the low light capabilities of this camera. I have tested this camera out in the morning as well, but then night life ka scene meko dekhne ka ek baar. So let's go and let's check it out. So the story between me and Arun is that bhai Kaiku bhai FZ125. So Arun is calling me. I just gotta pick up this call. I'll pick up this call. But kya kaisa chala raha bhai ne Kaiku bhai. Chi. Look at that guy, dude. He is har pokke mein jaake yin chal Kaiku chalate rahe sampo ko jaisa. These are the people who tarnish the name of bikers, man. FZ, KTM, or brand chodo, they tarnish the name of bikers, bro. Right, so I gave an update to Arun and he is stress-free, tension-free that I'm coming. Okay, so this turn, now me and this turn have a story. So what's the problem with this turn was when I was back in college, I had an FZ as well. So I used to take that turn like a Rossi or something, like full knee out, body out. Back then you don't really know what are the dynamics and how to like properly lean your bike and properly turn. Like how much acceleration, how much braking and what or and what not. So this Sweetheart restaurant इतना बड़ा कब हो गया भाई? Bro, back in the day that was on small point. This now is like a full landmark. And Breads to Cakes, you remember Breads to Cakes? Not a lot of people remember this place, Breads to Cakes, but this is an amazing place as well. Like I used to have like birthday cakes and all that from this place when I was in school. I went to St. Peter's, which is again backside of this, dude, it feels so good coming to this place. And okay, so coming back, Arun and I have studied video editing in Loyola Degree College. Uncle ka bada lean angle hai bahut. So we studied video editing, and from there I know Arun, I need an upgrade. Now I need an upgrade in terms of camera because I've used the GoPro Hero 7 from a long period of time. And I've seen the new cameras come out, the 9, the 10. I was reluctant to buy the 9 because back then I felt like not this time, maybe I'll wait for another one. And then now I look at the 10 and I cannot just hold myself back. 10 is just miles and miles and miles apart. It is day and night from this Hero 7, dude. Day and night. So this video is currently being shot from a GoPro Hero 9 Black, and I am currently testing out the night qualities, especially how it works in the night, and especially how the mic responds, because they have improved a lot in this processor and there is a bigger sensor, and the camera altogether, the user interface is all good. So low light test is my major concern because the GoPro Hero 7 Black is trash in low light, man. It gets really dark in this area because of the trees and all, and they don't cut these trees off because this is a part of a military area, so they don't really like have permissions to like cut all of these. So the trees kind of blend inwards, and this highway is the Nagpur highway. All the way, you wanna come all the way? And there are two intersections here, one on the left and one on the right. The left one was the speeding intersection because that's called the service road here in India. So that's the service road, and this is the main road to the highway. So you will find like small people selling apples and all that on that side, because they have like small vendors. And on this side of the road, like you cannot put up like small shops and all that. So this is part of the main highway. So you can speed up here as well, but then if you're getting late to college and if you want to go really quickly, like people should take that route. Trust me, MFC was not that big when I used to study in Loyola. So my college is, you take a right from here, you go straight, you will go to my college. Now the funny part about this bike is that I missed the hill climb. So the S1000RR has like a hill climb assist, so you hit the brake once and stop, so it's hill climbs. But this bike you need to put in the gear and all. So yeah, there is Bommarillu there is TBC there is Karachi Bakery there. That's also an amazing place. If you guys remember or not, the Tadoba video, that Nagpur Highway 1, we started here on the left side and we ended here. So the Sharat, Kamal and me went to Tadoba, right? This was that road. That's also like 1.5 years ago, and that was this time of the year. That was December. That was till December. So now I gotta go straight and take a right and gotta meet my friend Arun. So let's do this. It's been a long time since I met him. What's up Arun Anna? Full maripoyina. నేను బక్క అయిపోయినా జిమ్కి వెళ్ళి మొత్తం ఘోరం ఇంకా ఎట్లున్నావు? బండి ఉంది కేటీఎం. నేను కేటీఎం ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేసిన. అవునా? రెడ్ కలర్ కదా? నేను చూసిన ఫోటో. నేను నీదనుకోలే, నీ ఫ్రెండ్ అనుకున్నా బండి అది. అదే మీది కూడా కాదు కదా బండి. యాక్చువల్లీ దానికి పెద్ద స్టోరీ ఉంది కదా, ఫ్రెండ్ ఇచ్చిండు ఇదైంది అదైందని. అది పెద్ద స్టోరీ కదా దానికి. మళ్ళీ ఇచ్చేసినావు కదా? Right. So this is Arun, my friend, who I studied video editing with. Like we went to that course and all that. So so we were at MFC, and यहाँ पे अपने Arun Anna from video editing. इधर Arun Anna and మన అన్న ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారు. నా ప్రతి వీడియో చూస్తారు, ఇది చేస్తారు అది చేస్తారు. అన్న మలేషియా కదా, మలేషియాలో ఉన్నారు ఇక్కడ. అన్నకి ఛానల్ ఉంటే మనం చెప్తుండే ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ ఫాలో చేయండి, ఛానల్ ఫాలో చేయండి అవన్నీ అని. కానీ ఇప్పుడు నేను వెళ్ళిపోతున్నా. దిస్ ఈజ్ టెక్నికలీ నాట్ మైన్ యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నౌ, కానీ 10 వస్తుంది. అదే నేను చూస్తున్నా ఇప్పుడు 9 కొనాలా 10 కొనాలా. బట్ ఇట్ ఫెల్ట్ గుడ్ మీటింగ్ హిమ్, అండ్ ఐ హోప్ వీ కీప్ మీటింగ్ అగైన్. సరే అన్న, బాయ్ అన్న, ఉంటా మరి. బాయ్ అన్న, గుడ్ నైట్ అన్న, బాయ్. Again we go on the adventure. Bye na. Let's see. So the price difference about the GoPro Hero 9, the GoPro Hero 10 is humongous. A new GoPro Hero 9 will cost you upwards of 30 to 35,000 in India at any retail store, Click, Chroma, anywhere. And a new GoPro Hero 10 will cost you around 48 to 52,000. That depends on where you're buying from, and that's from any store that is. So now I'm confused to get a second hand Hero 9 25 to 28,000, new Hero 9 33 to 35,000, new Hero 10 48 to 52,000. So that's about it. I'll catch you in the next one, and I hope to get one. So you will get an update on my Instagram, because I update on Instagram most frequently. So this is my Instagram. You can follow me here for more updates. And I know that I haven't been uploading a lot of videos lately because of a few projects that I have taken over on the business end. Because when you buy bigger bikes like S1000RR and all that, financial things take like a turn. So it's not as smooth as it was earlier. So being that said, I will catch you in the next one. This is Aditya, you're watching This World. And why drop F bombs when you got rev bombs and you got amazing baking performance by Brembo, by Brembo. Chalo, bye, take care, good night, and see you in the next one. Peace. Oh ho. Amen sir. Oh, drunk and drive. Helmet ఇప్పాలా? చెప్పండి, చూడండి సార్. నేను చిన్న పిల్లలం సార్. ఓ, వాళ్ళు ఆగిర్రా గట్టిగా అన్న. ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఏంది, టీవీ కేసు రిపోర్ట్ అంతానా ఇంకా? అయ్యా, వెళ్తున్నా. ఓహో, డ్రంక్ అండ్ డ్రైవ్. డేమ్ సోన్. अपन नहीं पीते भाई, मैं बोला ना ब्रो. The only drug I do is S1000RR bro. That's the only drug I do. I don't do liquor, LSD, hash, cocaine, cigarette, gutka, daru. No. The only drug we do is motorcycling, and we do 1,000 double R. That bike is so good. That bike is so good, man. I just so good. If you ask me, HDFC is a better bank when it comes to loans and all, but they didn't give me a loan, so it goes to IDFC. IDFC is best. HDFC, get better. So it's only 1 by 1 line, so there's one people there, one people here. She's depositing cash. Is cash deposit working? Oh, it is working. She's depositing cash. All right. Let's deposit cash, and I'll be out of here in like seconds.